Hello everyone, welcome to this kickoff meeting for the Harrisburg University Human Resource System project. Uh, these are going to be our agendas for today's meeting. Let me start with the introduction. We'll have we have today with us Sam Young, who is our project manager of this project. Then we have David Smith, our project sponsor, who is representing HU Harrisburg University for this meeting. Then we have Brett Anderson, project lead. Then we have Paul O'Connor, senior business analyst. Then we have Samir Shah, our development lead. Then we have Z Hoy, our QA lead, and then we have Joe Dunham, our Scrum Master. Harrisburg University of Science and Technology is a private university located into Pennsylvania's capital, Harrisburg, and it is going to open its door for students next year. They want to implement the human resource system for their university, and that's why they contacted us, TriZ Business Solutions. The purpose of this project is to provide information to university decision makers regarding the requirements of HRS human resource system. This project outlines proposed project governance, project management strategies, and control that the Harrisburg University can use in the course of implementing the human resource system project. Uh, so major scope of this project is going to be develop and implement different human resources modules which can be used by management and the human resource organization of Harrisburg University, and the main reason they are creating this system is to provide data integrity for their university, and also the standard policies and the best practices that they can implement using this system. Also, they have decided to use couple of self-service modules too for their employees, so they can interact with each other and the other faculties and staff of the university. So these are the basic modules are going to be of this project. Start with the time and labor management, then we'll have the generate payrolls, then we'll have the generate reports, then the campus community forums, human resources basic modules, then as we discussed self-service modules, and the e-profile. So measure of success of this project are going to be uh, defined by these four modules, where we have success of project scope management progress, sorry. How will define its success? So project should make appropriate progress to evaluate changes request as to fit within the scope or outside of the scope boundaries against the approved scope baseline throughout its life cycle. The same thing with the successful project schedule progress. It should be always on time. So project should make appropriate progress against the schedule baseline throughout the life cycle. Successful project cross progress. So we don't need any delay, and we want to keep our project and the cost on time, and as we have discussed, and as we have planned. Last is most important is to successful project risk management. Project will make appropriate progress against the management of risk and the enhancement of contingency plan and contingency plan to minimize and mitigate both known and unknown risk if identified throughout the life cycle. Next are the constraints for this project. So as we discussed about the budget and all, we have allocated budget of $2 million for this project, and the timeline is going to be 36 months. We want to keep our We don't want to extend any kind of budget or the timeline for this project. And one more thing as constraints is we are not using any legacy system for this project. We are not using any previous HR system for this. Regarding the process constraint, all the resources are going to be assigned by internally. No need of any external resources. Uh, and whatever other projects are parallel running for the Harrisburg University, we are not going to take any feedbacks from that. It's an individual project, and all the SMEs are going to be provided by Harrisburg University. As we are talking the same thing, I'm going to repeat here in assumption. uh, the scope will be managed through a formal change control process. As we discussed, it's going to be passed to a project sponsor, and the SMEs, they will sign changes for this project. The same way, Harrisburg University will establish a decision making process and authority that is empowered to prioritize issues and resources in order to maintain the project implementation timeframes and costs. So it's all regarding the success criteria. The main important thing is all the hardware and the software infrastructure will be defined in place at the university, and they have to make sure about that. And for us, it's going to be we have to provide a training in the end. All the once post production, we have to provide all the training to the management and the organization. This is what we have created for the high level timeline, where we have distributed our milestones in different phases. It will start as normal SDLC. It will start with the initiation phase to the implementation of this project. It will go. These are the basic timeline, and we want to stuck with it. Hopefully we don't have to make any changes. And this is the resource allocations which we are planning to do. As you can see, we have allocated most of the our resources during the execution time, as that is going to be the longest period. And we also, you can see, like, we have kept the planning and analysis little bit long. We have allocated little more resources because we are not following any previous or legacy systems, and we are starting from the scratch. So all the SMEs have to come together and provide the details, so it will take a little bit more time, and that's what we have thought of. Next is the responsible project team members. So this PPT I'm going to forward everyone. So these are the basic person whom you want to contact regarding this project. I have provided their name, their role right now, and their responsibility during this project. And it also contains their contact info. So if anyone wants to know anything more about it or discuss, they can contact directly to them. They can shoot email to them. Next step after this project, after this kickoff meeting, I would suggest everyone to organize team meetings for the specific modules, so they can discuss and gather the requirement. Also, I would request uh, Harrisburg University to give us name of their SMEs, so we can schedule the meeting with them. I would like to schedule this meeting weekly, the team meetings weekly, so they can have proper status update. On the other end, for the sponsors and the high level management, I would suggest a bi-weekly meeting where we can discuss about any critical issues, issues are there or not, and also we can sign off any changes are required or not. And other than that, for all the members who is going to be participating in this project, I'm providing you the format of the status report where you are going to update your status every week and submitting to your managers. So this is all from my side. So if you have any question or concern, you can ask right now, or you have my email address. You can contact me anytime. So please contact me if any questions. And thank you for coming out for this meeting.